In this video, we are going to be analysing Norwegian cruise lines ticker NCLH. So to get straight into it, firstly, we are down around 6% on Friday. Now, why is this? Really, anything that is the first thing to be cut out in a recession. So hotels, restaurants, leisure, holidays, really anything like that is obviously one of the first things to get hit when people have less disposable income. And that's one thing to watch out on things like Norwegian cruise lines, Carnival cruise lines, whatever it is, these kind of stocks where people don't have as much disposable income. These stocks are likely to fall, but that doesn't mean they won't return when people have more buying income. So these can be a great purchase when they become very knocked down from their highs. And if you just hold them or looking to hold them more on the investment side of things for when the market and kind of just the economy rebounds. But either way, onto the support and resistance lines. If we're paying attention to resistances, what are we paying attention to? If we continue up, we're looking at $16.50, $19. I also put the $15.15. Breaking through there would be $21, $23, $26, $26.50, and a final level at $31. Now, obviously some of these are very far off. For example, the $31, probably not all that likely that we will get to that level. But really the key focus with these levels is always just pay attention to the closest ones. For example, if you are bullish on Norwegian cruise lines, what would we be paying attention to? So we want to see a bounce to this 15, break above it, come back to retest it, and if that level holds, then you know, okay, we're most likely going to push to that next level, in this case 16.15, and again that same thing, just pay attention to that next level. Once we hit that level, just pay attention to the next one. If we break this level, come back for the retest, then we can expect a push to $19. So that's how we just use these levels. Now on the other side, if we start falling, which is probably more likely, what are key support levels? So as of right now, around $11.30, we have our statistical mean on both the 6-month and the 1-year chart. So a key level of support, and we are near that 52-week low, and just really quite a easy to see support line, basically around that $11 area. So people here may get a temporary bounce that we can look to play. Probably not a bounce all the way to that $15 level, but just a potential bounce maybe to the $12 or $13 you could look to play. But if we break that and continue down, which again wouldn't be all that unlikely considering the market just keeps getting weaker and weaker, interest rates keep going up, and all this is going to do is just make the market weaker and weaker. So if we do break that, we're looking at $7.50 and $6.32, obviously, but a bit below, or quite a bit below that 52-week low. But if we do break that, which would be the $10 area, what you would want to see, and this would be key, a break below $10, come back to retest it as a resistance. If it holds, meaning selling pressure kicks back in, then you can expect a 25% sell-off all the way to $7.50. And again, the same thing, if we can break through the $7.50, come back to retest it as resistance, then to $6.30. If we break that, we would have final levels at $3.75 or $3.65 and $1.45. But again, the chances of going even that low, probably not all that likely, even if markets get very weak. But I could definitely see the $7.50 and the $6.30 being possible. Anyway, that is the breakdown on Norwegian cruise lines. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe, and check out this analysis video here.